Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Topspeed to NinjaTrader. So the first thing that you want to do is to download the RTrader Pro right here, which you will get from this rhythmic.com website. And from here, just click on the download Trader Pro. After downloading their software, you will be prompted to this page right here. Basically, you have to launch the RTrader and enter the credentials that you found in your email with the subject line Topstep account credentials, or the account credentials and billing information. Basically, your personal NinjaTrader account username and password will not be entered on the RTrader login screen because those are two different credentials. Basically, once inside this page, you just want to make sure that the system is on the Topstep trader and the gateway is on the Chicago area. From there, you also want to make sure that all of these options are enabled, like orders, market data, and allow plugins. Click on the login button and basically you are good to go. Now, the Rhythmic user ID and passwords are entered correctly twice. You have to make sure that this is correct, that the system setup is set to the Topstep trader twice, as you can see right here. The gateway is set to Chicago area and the market data is on and the allow plugin is on. Right after doing this step right here, you then have to head over to your NinjaTrader, click on connections, click on configure, and inside you want to simply look for the Rhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage. Double click on it to edit or configure this connection, and then you have to enter the username and password right here, as you can see on the official website. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.